Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the most common and useful operations that we can perform in NumPy. So far, we have covered how to create an ND array object. Now, let's look at what we can perform on it. We can apply any arithmetic operation on arrays as an element-wise operation, as you can see. Remember that we are dealing with arrays and matrices, so matrix rules apply here as well. Let's look at matrix product in NumPy using two different commands. When we operate on two arrays with different types, such as one is an int and the other is float, upcasting occurs, which means that the new result will be of the more general or precise type. In this case of floats and ints, the new type will be of float, as you can see. NumPy also has sum, min, and max functions implemented to be used, as you can see. You can use the reshape method to control the rows and columns in your array as it chose. The operations we covered so far apply to the arrays as a whole, regardless of its shape, but we can specify an access parameter to apply them to that dimension specifically, as you can see. The final concepts we will look at in this video are indexing, iterating, and slicing in array. For one-dimensional arrays, these operations can be performed just like performing them on a Python list. When the array is multidimensional, an index is specified for every axis. We provide those indices using a tuple separated by comma, as you can see. When we don't provide an index for all the axes, the missing ones are considered as the whole slice as it shows. We can also use 3 dots to specify the remaining axis. So, both of these statements are equal. To iterate over every element in the array, where we want to extract every element separately, we can use nested loops to access the elements. Or we can use the flat function to arrange all the elements in the array directly, as you can see. In general, for multidimensional arrays, the iteration is done with the reference to the first dimension. That wraps it up for the basics of NumPy. You can visit its online documentation to learn more about functionalities and methods that this package has. We will meet in the next video to summarize our class and discuss our class project.